Namaskar and a very warm welcome to IIPA. We have right now the proud privilege of having our Honorable Vice President of India, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan ji here in the studio. I'm Rakhi Bakshi and he is also the President of IIPA. So we have this double happiness and delight to have him here, sir. Namaskar and welcome to this very special dialogue and our privilege to have you here, sir. Talking about Viksit Bharat at 2047, there is a great idea behind it to take everyone along and look at progress and development of our country. What would you say, sir?
This is the great idea of our Narendra Modi ji. You all know Narendra Modi ji is a great follower of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is awake, arise and stop not till the goal is reached. So Modi ji has fixed the goal that India should become the Viksit Bharat by 2047. That gives an inspiration, that gives a new enthusiasm, that is become a new driving force for everyone that we must do something to achieve by 2047 the Viksit Bharat. Sir, that is the great inspiration that created by the PM Narendra Modi ji.
Ji sir, you also referred in your speech about Sabka Saath Sabka because the Prime Minister has given the clarion call, sir. What would you say?
See, we have to work. We should not work monotonously. We have to work with some great enthusiasm. That is, so you need some good words from able Prime Minister like Modi ji that will give you new inspiration.
Thank you so much for your time, sir, and namaskar once again.
Okay.
And thank you so much for watching this very, very special interview and conversation with our Honorable Vice President of India. Continue to watch us. Thank you and namaskar.